you need to create great story assignments. Before you get a writer attached to the story, you need to create really solid, concrete, interesting story assignments. Check out the video on how to do that. Next, you need to find a writer and really explain the story in the angle you have in mind and help them get started. This is part of the concrete part now. Help them get started on who to speak with. Remind them that they need to grow their sources and that there may be additional people they can talk to. Ask for something from them very quickly. I would ask for a working lead and their first two graphs, the first two paragraphs. So essentially the top three paragraphs or graphs that they see, their lead log and two body paragraphs. I would ask for those within 2 days. So if you sign it on Wednesday, ask that from them for Friday. This is going to tell you a couple of things. First of all, it's going to tell you whether how they operate as a writer. Do they procrastinate or do they start on the story right away? It's going to tell you whether you're going to need to work more closely with that writer or monitor that writer. Because if they got nothing from you 2 days later, that's a red flag, and it's a red flag you can help them work through. But it is telling you that you need to pay attention to that writer, that they're not going to be as independent. Okay, what does it do for them? It helps them right away start thinking about the story. Even the writer who doesn't talk to anyone within those first 2 days but starts to write these is going to have to be thinking about the story and anticipating what it might look like. So getting them going on that right away starts them doing the cognitive work of what that story is going to be about, even if they haven't reached out to sources. It's also going to make real the fact that they, in fact, do have to contact sources, that they have people they got to get a hold of. They can't put it off if they are being told they have deadline 2 days later. So it'll light a fire under their butts and help to clarify the story assignment to them. All right. Then give them some time to write a draft. Maybe it's another 2 days, maybe it's another 4 days, whatever it is per week. Let them run through their interviews and flesh something out. Now, they need a safe environment with which to write, and Kaplan-Biegel provides that for them before they hit submit. But do hold them accountable for submitting a draft to you. So, give them that date, and it really should not be the date that the final draft is due, nor should it be even the day before. So what you're going to need to do is to get a chance to see it and work with that writer. The piece that we have not done enough with in terms of you guys learning how to be editors is what do you do in that writer's meeting? So refer to another video about what do you do in that writer's meeting. So again, you're going to refer to how to assign a story and how to meet with the student and how to meet with your writer and work with the writer. All right, so they go back, they make their changes, and I do hope you'll hold them accountable for the number of sources. You should not be accepting articles that don't have the right number of sources. If they give you an article that doesn't, tell them to go back out. And if they give you an article that has buried the lead or hasn't capitalized on a really interesting angle that you think should be highlighted, you need to tell them, and the sooner the better. This shouldn't be coming in the final draft, nor should you ignore more experienced instincts on this. So if they come to you and they say one thing, like for example, if they're doing a very straight-laced reporting of the latest blood drive, but you find out 5 people were turned away, somewhere deep in the story you find out 5 people were turned away because they had contact with malaria before, or they had been to a certain part of Africa and had been exposed at some point, possibly to Ebola or whatever. You need to help your writer see that that's the more captivating element that needs to be followed up on. And by the way, don't just have to move that to the front, they need to follow up on that by getting additional interviews. So work your leadership on this. You need to work with them. Now, presumably they will take your changes advisement and shoot the article and final draft back to you. At this point, you should, before passing it on to copy editors, you should double check that they perform the things that you said, and if they haven't, then that's where you get in and do a little bit of revision. If they bury the lead, if you can't keep them, you move it up and change that story around. Now, that doesn't mean you want to do that on a large scale. If you do, writers will not want to work with you as an editor. So you always want to have them do it, but you do need to be clear about your expectations. Then you're going to send it off to the copy editor, and the copy editor will take the time to look at AP style and pass